Dear viewers, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the class 4 EVS lesson number 11, Waste is Wealth part 2, in which we need to solve the question answers and we are going to study all the textbook activities. I have explained about the waste in the last video, in the previous video. First question, what is waste? Answer, waste means unwanted or unusable materials. Next, number 2, write any 5 things that you throw as waste. So here you have to write the 5 things which you throw as waste. You can write fruit peels, vegetable peels, tissue paper, polythene bags, chocolate covers, biscuit covers, etc. Number 3, what do you do with the waste generated at your home? Answer is, we divide waste as wet waste and dry waste, and we will give to municipality workers who come to collect the waste with vehicle every day. Number 4, what would happen if there is stagnant water in front of your house? Answer, mosquitoes live and grow in the stagnant water and spreads diseases. Next, number 5, how do you dispose of your old books? Answer, we give our old books to our junior friends or to the people who buy old things. Number 6, collect the address of the department that is responsible for the proper disposal of waste in your locality and write it here. Children, what you need to do is you have to collect the address of the waste disposal, responsible person of waste disposal. So here everyone is having the different address. So I am not going to write this. We will move to next question. Make a list of the uses of waste. Answer, we can use the waste for recycling, compost, manure, biogas, etc. Okay. Next, identify and write which statement is right and which statement is wrong. Correct the statement which are wrong. First, I throw wastes here and there. This is right or wrong? Wrong. You should not throw wastes here and there. I will give the dress that does not fit for me to others. Yes, right. I collect plastic covers and use it whenever needed. Yes, right. I collect damaged plastic materials and give them to the people who buy old things. Correct. Right. I throw hazardous waste into the compost pit. Wrong. We should not throw hazardous waste to the compost pit. Okay. Now, write 5 things which you throw as waste at home. Write the type of waste they belong to. How do you dispose them of? Write them in the table given below. You have to write the types of waste that is collected in your house and what do you do. For example, vegetable peelings, that is wet waste, we will compost them. Next, first we will write leftover food, that is wet waste, we will compost them. Then old paper, that is dry waste, we will give them to the people who buy old things. Okay, next leftover tea powder, that is wet waste, we will put to tree or plants. Then decay fruits, that is wet waste, we will compost them. Then plastic bags, that is dry waste, we will give them to who buy old things. So children, what is the meaning of decay? Decay means decomposing through the action of bacteria or fungi. For example, decay of fruits, decay of vegetables, even our teeth will also decay, right? Our teeth will also decay because of bacteria and fungi. Next, here one activity is there. Which objects decay? Which objects will decompose through the action of bacteria or fungi? You have to tell me. Okay, what you have to do is you have to take a big bottle and you have to fill the half bottle with soil and you have to put leaves, vegetable and fruits peelings, small pieces of paper, plastic, rubber and some bottles into it. Okay, now put some more soil and sprinkle water on it. Every week observe the bottle and shake things in the bottle. Observe for 3-4 weeks. After 4 weeks, take out the things from the bottle, spread them on old newspaper and observe the things. Which materials decayed, which materials decayed fast, which material decayed slowly, make them list. So children, what did you learn from this activity? We learned that we can decay the things which we can divide the things which decay fast and we can compost them. Okay, next, one more activity is there. Keep the waste collected in your house for 3 days. Now classify them into as decaying or non-decaying and observe the size. Now what right to observation, what did you observe from that waste which you have collected for 3 days? Bad smell come from decayed things, and we can observe mosquito and flies on the decayed things, right? Yes. Now prepare compost using separated decaying waste in school and near home. How to prepare? Dig a pit of half meter breadth and 1 meter depth in a corner of your school garden with the help of your friends. Collect and put the leaves, grass and pieces of paper in that pit. Sprinkle some water, then spread some soil on it. Put the water and spread some soil. Stir the waste. Compost will be ready in 3 or 4 weeks. Now put it into the plant in your school garden. Prepare compost near your house also. So like this way you can prepare a compost pit. Okay. Next, encourage your neighbors to dispose of waste in a proper way. Prepare and exhibit posters regarding the waste disposal, proper disposal of waste. See here children, penguin you have to make from eggshell. So you have to do it by yourself. You have to make a penguin by eggshell. How you have to make? Take an egg and empty it by a small hole at the top. Now fix the cap of an eye or ear drop bottle. Turn the whole of the egg upside down and fix this cap on the opposite side. Take a cardboard, cut in the shape of the wings and color them black. Fix them on the eggshell. Put 2 black dots on the either side of the cap of the black pen as eyes of the penguin. Your penguin is ready. You use to decorate your house. So like this we have make the best use of the waste. Okay, now rain cap from plastic. So from plastic we can make rain cap. How we have to make? Cut a plastic sheet which is 2 times the area of your head. Fold the sheet into pleats of 2 inches each. Join both the ends by pleats keeping a cloth stripe and stitch them together. Your rain cap is ready to protect your head from rain or heat. Similarly children, decorate old plastic or tin boxes and use them as pen stand and flower vases to decorate the house. So you can use the waste to decorate the house also. Okay, now children, do you know we can convert and use about 75 to 80% of the total solid waste generated in our country into manure. So new materials are made by recycling glass, metal and plastic materials. Packing of some products cost more than the products themselves. Every year, innumerable number of sea animals die due to plastic waste. If cotton cloth takes 1 month to decay, nylon cloth take 500 to 600 years to decay. Next, when do these things decay? Here is a chart of the things which decay. So here permanency, the things which will not decay, which will remain permanent, that is shells of clam or molluscan, which takes 10 lakh years is bottle. See, bottle takes 10 lakh years to decay. Then 1000 years, plastic bottles more than 1000 years. 500 years, handkerchief which is made up of nylon takes 500 to 600 years. 100 years, aluminium tin which take 200 to 500 years. Then 50 years, tin will take 80 to 100 years. 10 years, leather shoes will take 40 to 50 years. Then wood will take 10 years to 15 years. Woolen socks will take 1 year and cotton cloth will take 1 month. Paper bag will take 1 month. Banana peel will take 3 to 4 years. So this is all about your lesson number 11, waste is wealth. I have explained this in 2 parts. In the first part only explanation is there. In the second part all the solved textbook activities are there. If you want the solved textbook activities of other lessons of EVS grade 4, you can check the playlist of my channel. Thanks for watching.